to get started, we have our seasonings that we're going to use for the chicken. I have just cut up some onion here. It doesn't really matter how you cut it. I cut mine kind of medium. And then I have one jalapeno here that I have sliced up. This is just to add some extra flavoring. And then I made kind of like a little homemade rub. Some of the seasonings that you buy that are already together can have added things, and I just try to stay away from that. Although I am using salt and some people can't use salt, so that is my preference. For this I used 1.5 tablespoons of salt, 1 tablespoon of pepper, half a tablespoon of onion powder, not onion salt, and then half a tablespoon of garlic powder. And again, not the garlic salt, the garlic powder, since I do add salt already. And then over here I have my chicken ready. Have my crock pot ready. Now for my crock pot, I do use these Reynolds slow cook liners, and that is because I do not like to do dishes. So I do those to make the cleanup much easier, just a quick wipe and you're done. So for the chicken, I usually do about 5 pounds. I did order this online, so it's a little bit over this time. It's 2.94 pounds and 2.69, and it's just regular chicken breast, no added hormones, no artificial ingredients or preservatives, just natural. So basically what we're gonna do is just take the chicken, put it in the crock pot, kind of get a layer there, and then I'm just gonna take, I'm wearing gloves because I don't like to touch the raw chicken. I'm just gonna take the rub seasoning that I made and spread it over, and just kind of spread it out onto the chicken, and then flip it over and give it another little sprinkle, and again rub it on. And then we can add some of our onion and a little bit of jalapeno. Again, I just have a little bit of jalapeno there because I want to get the a little extra flavoring. I did take out the seeds because I don't really like a lot of heat. I just like a little bit of a flavoring added in there. And so again, I'm just gonna layer this here, and actually I have one extra, so I'm just gonna kind of stuff that guy back there. Okay, and then we're gonna grab some seasoning, and I can see here that I actually looks like I made a little bit too much of this rub, so I may adjust the recipe down next time, but I just wanted to make sure I had enough. It's been a while since I've done it this way. Sometimes I'll just sprinkle it on, but I wanted to give y'all kind of like an idea, just for some flavor. And see how this piece got missed? I'm sorry, the lighting is bad. I'm gonna order a tripod and some lights, because I've really been enjoying doing these. So if you like what you're seeing and you want to see some more, of course just like and subscribe. Let me know what kind of cooking or exercise videos you would like to see, or if you have any tips on how you do your meal prep or get your exercising in. I would love to hear it. Just on a journey here to make some better choices and continue losing weight and feeling better, feeling healthier. So again, I'm just flipping these over, putting this rub on, making sure here that it's kind of all covered. Alright, and I'm reaching over to get this. I'm gonna add some more onion here. I probably could have put a little more below. I thought I was going to have 3 layers and it came out with only 2. But again, it's just for flavoring. It will cook down into the chicken, make some good flavorful juices. And if you like vegetables, you can even, of course, eat the onions afterwards. Sometimes I eat them, sometimes I don't. Depends on what mood I'm in. So there you have it. We have set it. We're going to set it. Let me get this glove off. Okay, sorry. Okay, we're gonna set it. I have mine with the timer. I'm gonna do, I've heard different things and I kind of change it up sometimes. I think I'm going to do, I'm gonna get it started on low maybe for a few hours and then maybe turn it up to higher. I just don't want it to be too tough. I think when you cook it on high, it might be a little bit tougher. So we're just gonna start it and that's it. It's gonna cook.